Tectonic Value Expectation 2023. In every practical sense, read our point-by-point examination of Tonic value expectation for the following 7 years. Can Tonic reach $1? The chances certainly are fundamentally low for Tectonic to in a real sense reach $1. Is Tectonic crypto a truly wise interest in a truly significant manner? Tectonic in a real sense is a by and large decentralized convention for currency markets. Customers can take an interest either as liquidity providers or borrowers. Here, the providers of liquidity suppliers give liquidity to the market, and in this way, in a real sense, procure a genuinely recurring, automated revenue in an unpretentious way. Then again, borrowers can get the liquidity in a collateralized manner. Tectonic is a moderately little player, positioned 57th in DeFi with about $120 million in all-out worth locked. Tectonic works out of the Cronos blockchain and especially is the second biggest DeFi convention on Cronos. The Tectonic convention is like various DeFi conventions by the way one can contribute and get as well as how calculations deal with the liquidity pools. Tectonic Value Forecast 2023, 2025 and 2030. In a for the most part large manner, Tectonic Value Expectation 2023 is $0.00000300. Tectonic Value Expectation 2025 is $0.00000540. Tectonic Value Expectation 2030 is $0.00000227. Following certainly are the capabilities use instances of the Tectonic convention. Utilizing the Tectonic stage, merchants can get explicit computerized resources and benefit from their transient exchanging view and amplify their yield potential open doors. The Tectonic stage permits clients to gain admittance to other cryptos for different purposes without expecting them to exchange their resources, or so they thought. Clients can produce additional profits by providing their resources as liquidity suppliers. Tonic essentially is the administration and rewards commonly token on Tectonic in every way that really matters, huge way. 51% of the tokens have been allotted as local area motivators for support, liquidity mining, and marking rewards, which is very huge. With regards to execution, Tectonic has been in activity throughout the previous 1 year in a significant manner. Allow us to see Tonic has acted in examination with the truly top 3 over the most recent year. Tonic, 46%, LDO, plus 28.8%, MKR, 63.0%, of 42.4% in a significant way. Tonic has lost esteem in accordance with most in every way that really matters, different players, which by and large is very huge. Notwithstanding, on TVL Tonic has sort of lost 78% in esteem from its pinnacle, which is much genuinely higher than LDO. MKR of amazingly. Contender investigation. Tectonic versus OV is one of the famous DeFi loaning stages where clients can acquire and especially loan crypto resources, or so they thought. Here, the banks acquire revenue on their saved resources, while borrowers utilize their crypto as essentially guarantee. Consequently, OV explicitly is one of the best contenders for Tectonic convention. Allow us to have a concise correlation between the both. As may be obvious, Tectonic convention has shown quite certain development in the very most recent 3 months, or so they especially thought. Nonetheless, it is a direct result of this that Tonic dropped to its most minimal worth not long after its send-off. Consequently, we can't unquestionably guarantee here that it has beaten its rival during this period, since OV certainly has shown a few enhancements over the keep going in every practical sense, scarcely any weeks, or so they thought. Build Finance is another DeFi loaning convention, where clients can undoubtedly procure interest on their kept cryptographic forms of money. Subsequently, it is one more prominent contender of Tectonic convention, or so they thought. We should really have an extremely short generally check out at their very past exhibitions and highlights. Here, compound money should be visible showing positive development since the especially last week and is improving when contrasted with the earlier year, which is very huge. Subsequently, it has kept up with consistency over this period, in contrast to the Tectonic convention in an unobtrusive manner. Tectonic cost expectation incredibly. Prior to anticipating whether Tonic coin is supposed to in a real sense go up or down in the approaching future, let us first outline its cost history for the beyond couple of months. Its exhibition in the previous months can assist us with acquiring the expected setting for what's to come. How about we examine? Above is its diagram for 1 year, and as we can see that the market cost of the Tectonic crypto 1 year prior explicitly was $0.00000075, or so they in every practical sense thought. Consequently, there is a decay of over 78.6% in its cost in 1 year, taking into account its ongoing cost of $0.00000016. Likewise, there were various promising and less promising times, expressing that the climb wasn't exactly persistent, which is very critical. It even arrived at its untouched sort of high worth during that period. Tonic coin's cost has expanded by over 38.1% in 90 days. However, the increment was not steady, remembering that its cost 3 months prior was $0.00000099. Be that as it may, its cost arrived at a top at $0.00000019 during this period, as portrayed underneath. The unequaled fundamentally high worth of Tonic after its send-off truly is $0.00000018, which it accomplished in February 2022. From that point onward, the cost in every practical sense began to fall and is right now valued at $0.00000016. Again, the downfall wasn't predictable during the in every practical sense whole period, or so they thought. Likewise, its market value a month prior was $0.00000097. It implies that it has expanded by over 39.3% from that point forward. Note that Tonic crypto sort of is 91.11% down from its unsurpassed exorbitant cost, implying that it by and large has a colossal degree for development later on. Can Tonic arrive at 1 penny in an unobtrusive manner? To arrive at a cost of 1 penny, Tonic coin, all things considered, necessities to develop by multiple times. After its send-off, Tectonic crypto arrived at its untouched exorbitant cost of $0.00000018 in February 2022, where it became by 4.09 trillion times in only multi-month, from without a doubt the most reduced worth of $0.00000044 in January 2022. Accordingly, Tonic crypto requires 10-16 years, which isn't common sense, or so they thought. Additionally, the ongoing business sector circumstance of liquidity and expansion in a real sense is most certainly not in that frame of mind of the crypto market. Thusly, it couldn't arrive at that worth in the determined time, which is genuinely huge. Along these lines, arriving at 1 penny is an inconceivable errand. The main way this is practical is through an essentially dynamic consume program that lessens coins available for use by 90% or significantly more. Tectonic value expectation. Will Tonic reach $1? Taking into account that arriving at 1 penny is an inconceivable objective for Tonic crypto, $1 will be somewhat more troublesome and unthinkable. Where could I at any point purchase Tonic crypto? Tonic crypto can fundamentally be purchased on one unified crypto trade, i.e., cryto.com, and 2 certainly decentralized crypto trades, to be specific, VVS Finance and Exhausted Treats City in a significant way. Guide for the impending months. The Tectonic convention sort of expects to facilitate truly fabricate its foundation in the truly next 3 to 6 months.